Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding 20 very important multiple choice questions for the preparation of entrance exams for MHA, that is Master of Hospital Administration, and MPH, that is Master of Public Health programs for various university and institutes like Common University Entrance Test, CUT PG, Christian Medical College Vellore, Lucknow University, इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ पब्लिक हेल्थ गांधीनगर, मणिपाल यूनिवर्सिटी, एम्स रायपुर, एम्स जोधपुर, एम्स ऋषिकेश, निम्हांस बैंगलोर, जिपमेर पोंडिचेरी, पुणे यूनिवर्सिटी, and for all other university and institutes which conducts MPH, MHA and other competitive exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes MPH, MHA and other competitive exams, and for this if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So here first question is, the benefits of ESI Act include the following except. The benefit of ESI ESI, that is Employee State Insurance. So the benefits of ESI, that is Employee State Insurance Act, include the following except. Option A, medical fitness. Option B, rehabilitation allowance. Option C, sickness benefit. Option D, nutritional allowance. Correct answer is option D, nutritional allowance. So the benefits of ESI, that is Employee State Insurance Act, include medical fitness, rehabilitation allowance, sickness benefit, and the benefit of ESI Act does not include nutritional allowances. Next question, match list first with list second and select the correct answer. So match list first with list second and select the correct answer. In list first, diseases are given, and in list second, antigen leading to hypersensitivity pneumonitis. So A is bagasosis, B is byssinosis, C is farmer's lung, D is wood worker's lung. And in list second, antigen leading to hypersensitivity pneumonitis. First is oak kedar pine dust, second moldy hay, third cotton, fourth sugarcane dust. So correct match of option A, that is bagasosis, is with option 4, that is sugarcane dust. So bagasosis correct match is with sugarcane dust, and byssinosis correct matches with cotton, and farmer's lung correct matches with moldy hay, and wood worker's lung is correct matches with oak kedar pine dust. Next question is, ministry covering ESI Corporation of India is. Ministry covering ESI, that is Employee State Insurance Corporation of India, is option A, Ministry of Home Affairs. Option B, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Option C, Ministry of Labour. Option D, Ministry of Women and Child Development. Correct answer is option C, Ministry of Labour. Ministry covering ESI, that is Employee State Insurance Corporation of India, is. Correct answer is Ministry of Labour. So Ministry of Labour covers ESI, that is Employee State Insurance Corporation of India. Next question, true about ergonomics are all accept. True about ergonomics are all accept. Option A, adjusting the worker to his job. Option B, designing of machines. Option C, improvement of efficiency of both man and machines. Option D, related to criteria for PSC. Correct answer is option D, related to criteria for PSC. So true about ergonomics are option A, B and C are true about ergonomics, and option D, that is related to criteria for PSC, this option is not true about ergonomics. So the options that are true for ergonomics are adjusting the worker to his job, designing of machines, improvement of efficiency of both man and machines, and the option that is not true about ergonomics is related to criteria for PSC. Next question, cash benefit in ESI scheme include. Cash benefit in ESI scheme include option A sickness, option B medical, option C maternal, option D liability, option E funeral. Correct answer is option A, C and E. Cash benefit in ESI, that is employee state insurance scheme, include sickness, maternal and funeral. So cash benefit in ESI include sickness, maternal and funeral, and cash benefit in ESI does not include medical and liability. Next question, which of the following is true under Factories Act of 1976? Which of the following is true under Factories Act of 1976? Option A, children aged less than 14 years are prohibited from any employment. Option B, adolescents aged from 15 to 18 years can work between 7 p.m. to 6 a.m. Option C, women and children can be employed in all type of works. Option D, adolescents of 16 years need not be duly certified at fit for work by certifying surgeon. So which of the following is true under Factories Act of 1976? Correct answer is option A. Option A is true under Factories Act of 1976, that is children aged less than 14 years are prohibited from any employment. So children aged less than 14 years are prohibited from any employment. This statement is true under Factories Act of 1976. Next question, bicynosis is seen in option A, cement factories, option B, textile industries, option C, iron factories, option D, grain fields. Correct answer is option B, textile industries. So bicynosis is seen in textile industries. Next question is silicosis occurs with options are A, cotton, B, sugarcane fibers, C, carbon particles, D, silica fibers. Correct answer is option D, silica fibers. Silicosis occurs with silica fibers. Next question is, a person working in hot environment who consumes more H2O, hydrogen, that is water, without salt is likely to develop. So a person working in hot environment who consumes more hydrogen dioxide, H2O, without salt is likely to develop. Option A, heat stroke. Option B, heat cramps. Option E, C, heat exhaustion. Option D, heat hyperpyrexia. Correct answer is option B, heat cramps. So a person working in hot environment who consumes more H2O, that is water, without salt is likely to develop. Correct answer is heat cramps. Next question is, in ESI programs, state government employee contribute to the fund, employers contribution is. So in ESI, that is employee state insurance programs, state government employee contribute to the fund, employers contribution is. Correct answer is option B, that is 4.75%. So in ESI programs, state government employee contribute to the fund, employers contribution is. Correct answer is 4.7%. Next question is, wrist drop may be caused as industrial hazard in. Wrist drop may be caused as industrial hazard in. Option A, battery industry. Option B, gas industry. Option C, asbestos industry. Option D, aniline industry. Correct answer is option A, battery industry. So wrist drop may be caused as industrial hazard in bacterial industry. So now next question is, snow storm appearance are seen in. Snow storm appearance are seen is options are A. Anthracosis, B. Silicosis, C. Bicynosis, D. Bagasosis. Correct answer is option B. Silicosis. Snowstorm appearance are seen in. Correct answer is silicosis. Next question. ESI Act include all the following except. ESI, that is Employee State Insurance Act, include all the following except. Options are A. Small power using factories employing 10 to 19 persons. B. Non-power using factories employing 20 or more persons. C. Newspaper establishment. Option D. Defense establishment. So correct answer is option D. Defense establishment. So ESI Act include all the following. So ESI Act does not include defense establishment, and ESI Act include the following three options, that is A, B, C are correct. So ESI Act include all the following except defense establishment, and ESI Act includes small power using factories employing 10 to 19 persons, non-power using factories employing 20 or more persons, newspaper establishment. Next question is all are covered under ESI except. All are covered under ESI except option A newspaper workers, option B non-power using factories with 18 members, option C small power using factories with 18 members, option D non-power using factories with 20 members. So correct answer is option B, that is non-power using factories with 18 members. So all are covered under ESI except correct answer is non-power using Factories Act 18 with 18 members, and option A, B, option. So the next. So all are covered under ESI except. So option B, that is non-power using factories with 18 members. This statement is not covered under ESI employee state insurance except. So option B is the correct answer, and all are covered under ESI, that is option A, C and D are correct, that is non-newspaper workers, small power using factories with 18 members, non-power using factories with 18 members. Next question is dust particle in the industry is a. Dust particle in a industry is a. So options are biological hazards, chemical hazard, physical hazards, mechanical hazards. Correct answer is option B, chemical hazard. So dust particle in the industry is a chemical hazard. Next question is which of these is true regarding Factories Act? Which of these is true regarding Factories Act? Option A, it is applicable in establishment employing 20 or more workers where power is used for less than 20 workers, where power is not used.